Welcome to another episode of Hooked Up Fishing, man. I just had to charge the camera. I left a camera. Missing footage because I'm working on them. Just got in the water late. I don't have my stuff together. I don't even know if I got my camera holder. Yeah, I got it. Right here. Put that on. The hard hitter's back, man. Back in the kayak, back on the water, back catching crappie. Put that t-shirt on today. I don't drop this camera. There I go, I got it on. Y'all get to ride with me. You can go over and pluck a few of these small fish till I get out on the big fish. I got a spot where the big fish are at. I'll get back with y'all in a minute, man. Thanks for hanging on and waiting for me. I'm back, man. Working on. I lost 3 already. A little rusty. That's what's getting them right now. I brought old Paul out with me. He's on the bank fishing. Let him get some of that water, some of this action in. Just random brush pile fishing, man. Anyone I see, I'm jumping on it, plucking some fish off of it, honing my skills till I get ready to get that lake record again later. Just like that, y'all. Just drop the buoy. That's how you locate them. That's how you find them. That's how the hard hitter get down. Location, location, location. Control the population. Yeah, man. Back at it, y'all. You know what that means? It's a wrap, baby. Know what I mean, Jelly Bean? I'm finna get him. Get him, boy. Get him, boy. If I can get myself untangled up, boy, I got all kind of situations going on here. I done lost several fish today, Rusty. Get them. Got a buoy over there. Let me get back to it. Get back to y'all when I get on the fish. Times when they all dry and pretty on the stand, this is when they wet and putting in work. That's that green and gold. A lot of detail. I'm fighting wind as a factor today, but it's on and off. It's not just blowing. So, being nice. Keep your kayak nose to the wind and position yourself right up on the brush pile and get them. Nice little pile down there. Few fish on it. Catfish on it too, though, I think. Catfish, catfish, catfish. Alright, y'all, let me keep it moving. Try to get on this little brush pile right here, y'all. Wind in the face. See if I can make it happen. that grill, a little bit of fighting to get it. I can find it. Might leave this one alone too. Time that wind to pick up now. Yep, 2 or 3 o'clock. The wind back to the see what I can do. Open water, wind blowing. It'll be a little tough, but I'm gonna get me some fish. Pluck me some. You know why you can't see me? 'Cause that's a slab. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, man. All right. Yeah, ain't no factor. Man, don't make the fish stop biting. They still biting. No matter what. Like the wind, but I'm gonna get it in. Get it in. Yep, I'm gonna get it. Might be a little noisy for y'all, but oh well. Don't turn the volume down and watch the hook set. Yee, dog. That's how you get them up out of there, y'all. That's how you get them up out of there, y'all. Find them. Get them on one side of the brush pile and they run to another, but they can't hide, boy. Look at all that dirt on the bottom of that fish. He was down up in there. I got him up out of there. Look at that hook. Look at that hard hitter hand tie. Look at that green and gold. What I told y'all. It's over with. Back at it. I'm getting table fare. I ain't worrying about no hogs. Like young deer. The young ones eat better. The young ones eat better. Them old crusty dusty ones ain't no good. They dirty low down. Dirty low down. That's where I'm getting them at. I'm getting them from down there. Dirty low down up in there. Thank you, Father. Let that wind slow down a little bit. It was blowing like crazy a while ago. Let's go get them. Let's go get them. Come back with them. Please, wind, just stay down for a little while. Let's get a little work in. A little bit of work in. A little bit. A little bit. One like that. already had it. Alright, let's fish this one for a little while, y'all. Get out of the wind a little bit. Get us some off of here, y'all. I'm gonna approach the base of this pile and see what happens. Looks like something peeking out of the base of it. Usually they hit on the top of this pile. There's the wind. Good fish, y'all. Yeah, man. Hey. Yeah, man. Like that. Just like that. Yeah. Gotta stop the freezer, man. Everybody know about Skid Row. It's just how low can you go on Skid Row. Yeah. Got one slab and the rest of them are just nice fish so far. But I still got a ways to go. I ain't gonna get to fish that open lake pile, but I'm gonna try to fish all these other ones that I can. Faster! Go faster! Bring breakers! Bring breakers! Saw that white bass running on the screen, y'all. White bass was darting out there running on the screen. I flipped that jig out there. He said, "Give me that." Top dollar with the gold fleet collar gonna eat good tonight. You going to the highs, boy. See if I can work this next brush pile here while that white bass rudely interrupted what I was trying to do there. Now I gotta figure out where I was and what was going on. Find it, man. It's good to be back, man, if I ain't told y'all that, man. Y'all ought to be able to tell I'm happy. gave no introduction. Welcome to Hooked Up Fishing Lake Houston edition. You know why you can't see me? Because that's a slab. I stopped to charge the camera and I hit one over here in this brush. Try to get the camera back on. Try to fish this little pile in here tight. Y'all can set your bobber to about 5 to 6 foot deep right in this area. There's a brush that comes up, but it stops at if you go any deeper than 5 or 6 you might get hung, but if you fish right above them, maybe they'll feed. You could probably hit those minnows. Yeah, that feed was early this morning, you know, and then it's crappie. They crazy, huh? Bipolar fish. Real moody. Yeah. Weather, man, it's been a crazy spawn. You know, they can't, hell, it ain't nothing normal. It had no winter.
Yeah, normally we catch something right here.
Yeah, there's a brush right here. I thought I was going to get on them, but camera off. I got a brush pile that comes down at a slope, and I'm bringing the jigs from the base of the brush pile up it, and I'm getting bit like that. Well, I did that time. I don't know if it'll do it again. We're going to try to find out. Oh, he didn't want me to jig it. Whoa. He didn't want me to jig it, y'all. Whoa. God. Open water. They're not in tight, man. They're on open water brush piles. Everybody waiting on the spawn, waiting on them to get shallow. They ain't shallow. They're not shallow, y'all. Still got my crappie bite. See if I can do that again. Messing with that board. Yeah, Ken.
Yeah, this week, brother.
All right, man, and you?
I'm doing all right. Plan that you won't get mad at me.
Oh, get mad. I ain't getting mad. Dogs get mad and foam at the mouth. Good, man. Good. Just stay. Yeah, good to hear from you too, Ken. Just stay prayed. How I said, stay tough and prayed up. Yeah. All right, Ken. All right. Yo. Wrap it up right here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the likes, subscriptions, comments. Felt good being back out on the water. Y'all know what I do. I got on some fish today. So I'm good. Came out here late, like about 12:30, 1 o'clock. Fished a few piles out on the main lake. Some in the river, the bayou in Lucius. And fish respond to the jigs real good. All in all, had a good day, man. Took old Paul out and let him fish off the bank with a slip cork. He got about 4 crappie like that. So mission accomplished. Get back with y'all in the next episode, man. Not a whole lot of you can't see me. That's the slabs, but I got some good fish. No more coffee. Time to drink a little water. Hooked up fishing, baby. Hooked up fishing.